Is your USB showing unknown USB device? Device descriptor request failed on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you simple steps to solve the problem and get your USB working again. First, search for Control Panel and open it. Now click on Hardware and Sound. Next, click on Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings. Now click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and find USB Settings. Expand USB Selective Suspend Settings. Expand Settings and select Disable. Now click on Apply, then click OK. Next, go back and click on Power Options again. Click on Hardware and Sound. Now click on Choose what the power button does. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Finally, click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. In most cases, the problem should be fixed. That's it. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes.